Okay.
I don't understand.
Constitution permit them. You go in the Nigerian constitution, it's only one section that have right to carry gun, which are the Fulanis.
Your God will make you want that.
Which are the Fulanis? It's in the constitution. That is why whenever you say change the constitution, they will tell you no. When they do something, they say constitution give them right, and they give them right. Constitution of 1999 is a constitution of suicide constitution. Abdul Salam, retired General Abdul Salam Constitution of 1999 is a constitution of what? Genocide constitution. It's a constitution of squad killing. It's a constitution of no mercancy.
How will the constitution support people going about killing other persons?
Then only.
How?
Now, go and build the paper of constitution. Go and purchase one of the constitution.